All right, y'all. So I just got a box in the mail, and I am going to we're gonna do an unboxing real quick. I have had a crazy day doing winch outs. Man, it's been wild. There's so much content, you guys, that I get. I can only get so much in each video. However, if you guys don't mind commenting down below, but hey, Darren, this is the stuff I like to see. Town Lake Towing Service. I'm well, Elvin. How can I help you?
Are you the business owner of Tawny Lake Towing?
Yes, sir, I am.
Actually, the reason of this call is that I can rank your business on the top page of Google in just 30 days only.
Okay, hey, bud. I don't want to be rude. Hey, bud. I hate to be rude to you, man. I'm going to go ahead and let you know right now I already utilize multiple companies for advertisement. And instead of just hanging up on you like everybody else would, I would like to say, thank you. I appreciate your time today. You have a good Wednesday, okay?
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. You too. Bye. All right, and then I block the number from there. I mean, it don't do much because I think that they call from different numbers every time, kind of like VPN. I don't know. Anyways, all right, you guys. So, hey, let's take a second for some thank yous. So, first off, I would like to thank Mytee, guys. So, Mytee Towing Products and their recovery products. Mytee has been a partner to me. I mean, there's no better way to say it. They have pretty much sided right up with my business and my YouTube channel. And if it weren't for these boxes that come in the mail, and it's not just Mytee, keep in mind, I have other people too, Gilbert Villarreal, any of the people who have, I mean, really, my dad, my brother, his wife, my daughter, all of the subscribers to the channel, anybody who's ever liked a video, anybody who's ever commented on a video, thank you all, right? If it weren't for you guys, my business would have failed the first 3 months. I wouldn't have had a business. Ben Howell, Heather, the list goes on and on. I mean, I can sit here and name subscribers left and right, so we'll go through a few of you guys, okay? Let's just start back from like some of the older guys like Reeks, which I hadn't heard from in a while. I hope he's doing okay and still tuned in. Towman127, Tow Vibes, all these the channels who have been helping me throughout this whole ordeal. Thank you. It's important that I give recognition to the people who've supported me, because I can honestly say in my heart, if it weren't for y'all, I would have failed. I do believe that. And so I don't want to get all emotional with you guys, but I do want to make sure y'all understand how much y'all mean to me. Man, the Villarreals out of Texas, they own Delta Transport. I'll never forget, that was the first thing a subscriber ever sent to me in the mail. When we first started our business, we didn't have any money. And Gilbert noticed that there were a few things I needed, and man, would you know, within about 2 or 3 days of him telling me he was gonna send me some stuff, it showed up in the mail. And then he did it again too, with more stuff. So I want to thank Gilbert and the family. You guys, I have learned so much just from about humanity from y'all. I mean, it's a real thing that there is a brotherhood in this industry, that there is a camaraderie, people who care about each other. And look, guys, I don't want to be mushy for long. We're all tow truck drivers and we're tough, so let's not get like this, okay? So what we'll do is let's get down to the brass tacks here, the reason that we're on video today. So Mytee has sent me, okay, and guys, keep in mind that this is the most affordable stuff on the market. I challenge anyone to go and find me a company who sells any towing products more affordable than Mytee. I'll challenge you. If you can find me a towing product cheaper than what Mytee sells, guys, I'll send you that product myself for the price that you find that's Mytee. I am not even joking. I would do it myself. And this is how I know for sure you're not gonna find anything cheaper. You may go to Marketplace. You may go on like Facebook Marketplace if you're lucky. And you may find someone who is selling their towing gear. Maybe. That might about be the only. You will not find nothing new out there more affordable than the stuff that this company has, okay? I don't care what anybody says. All right, so thank you, Christina, and all of the hard workers up there in at Mytee. We have okay, guys, I just want to explain to y'all quickly. Long before I ever decided to write these people and ask them if they wanted to be a part of my channel and affiliate, I had been purchasing these products, and the reason why is because they were the only products I could afford. I will show a couple shots here, very early on videos of me using my own brand new purchase Mytee products, okay, skates or whatever, you know, right here, so you guys can see. Long before this, I had ever scratched a deal with them, I was buying these products, okay, and here's why. All right, guys, so this is a 10-foot chain, okay. All right, so on the hook, working load limit's going to be 5,400 pounds. All right, that's G70 grade, okay? I know that some of you may not like the color. That stuff, look, it wears off in no time. This is very new still. This bridle is very new still, and look at it, it's already starting to wear off. So if you don't like the color of this, you know, I understand, because some guys like the old school look, and that's fine. But look at here, y'all. This is the 10-footer. I'll put prices here. They come in multiple sizes, okay? You will not find chains, binders, straps. You're not gonna find them for cheaper. I challenge you to hit me up in the comments. Anyone, I mean, please, hit me up in the comments and tell me a place where you can find things cheaper. So these are the 10-footers, guys. Like I said, they come in multiple sizes, okay? We will be utilizing these things soon. I'm just doing an unboxing today, but I'm gonna be starting to chain hang stuff off my wheel lift. This is why I got these. I want to start doing more with the truck than what I've been doing, you know, single toes and stuff. I want to double stack the truck if at all possible. All right, so those are the chains. There'll be pictures, like I said. Y'all have already seen those for the different sizes. I'll include those. So now, this is a 3. All right, so I called Cesar Torres, guys, and I said, Cesar, Bubba, do you mind telling me, because I needed to know about cable sizes and stuff. And so what I found out is, if you go to the Winch, okay, look, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, Cesar knows his stuff, dude. I'm gonna throw a little, bro, if y'all ain't seen, y'all don't know who Towman127 is, then you've never got on YouTube and Googled any. Now this cable is, I just did a winch out today, y'all. Normally my cable does look better than this, but it's being replaced today, okay? However, this is still no excuse. That's gnarly, that's wicked. There's no excuse and no excuse, okay? However, if you come here on your winch, guys, all winches, 9 times out of 10, will have something telling you what size. It'll tell you the, let's see, okay, so it's the max single pull line, and it even calculates for doubling up and stuff right there for you, which, I mean, that's not rocket science, guys. If you can't double up those numbers, you don't know, you know. So basically, every time you double the line, you double the strength of the line, and you also strengthen the winch because of the ratio. The ratio changes, okay? And then also it changes a little bit as you take more rolls off. The ratio also changes. So the more wraps you take off the winch, the ratio does change a little bit. And so if you're ever wondering what size winch cable or how the length and or the width, you can go there, or the circumference, you can go there and it'll show you, okay? Now this video right here is just an unboxing. I will not be doing the cable on this video, but I'm gonna be doing the cable soon. Today, I will be doing it, but I won't be posting that today. Okay, anyways. Yeah, so here it all is, you guys. Here's, so this cable they sent to me. I ordered from Mytee. I'll put prices here. This is a 100-footer because that's my truck is, for whatever reason, my truck can fit that. Oh, I'm so excited to not have that hook no more, y'all. Okay, so let me get all this stuff together. Mytee, I just want to say thank you, all the subscribers, all of the supporters, virals, anyone who has just really taken a minute to comment and like the videos. Thank y'all so much. Let me get this stuff straightened out, and we'll see you on the next video.